Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just done that many of the things using Java and we have just also worked with Android Studio, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done here. So today we are working with Android development series, and today this is our another video of Android development series which we are covering up because our previous video was of Java, and I hope you understand that. So today in this video I will be telling you that how we can just embed a video using Android Studio. We will be also doing some of the other things in this video as well, like embedding a video, and we'll be also adding some of the other things to this video, and I hope you'll be understanding this video of embedding video in Android Studio which we'll be just doing. So if you understand this video here, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. I'll be also bringing up another projects like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we'll be just building this project from start and what are the things included in this amazing project. So just in the previous videos, we have just learned about the navigation bar with drawer icon, and I hope you understand that video out. But today in this video, I will be telling you, like I've telling you in the starting also, today we will be learning about how to embedding video using Android Studio. So I will be telling you how you can use the embed system to embed any of the thing in Android Studio when you are using the graphical things here. So for building this project here of embedding video, you have to just remove this all stuff which we are getting here like we have done in the previous video. So in this video, I will be telling you how you can embed your things here. So for embedding the things, first of all, I will be directly taking a text here. Like in the previous video, we have taken the text and then we were starting to work with that thing here. So I have now taken the text here. After taking the text, you have to give the name to your text here you want to give. So I will be writing here embedding. So I will be now writing here embedding video like this. Then you have to press enter. You can see now we have pressed enter and in the embedding video, so we are getting this here. Then I will be making this bigger like this, but we can directly not make this. Here we have to change the font size. So here I will be now writing font, you can say text size. Here you will be getting the text size. I think that you can see here we are getting, so you can just set the size to 20, or if you want more bigger, so 34 you can do like this. I've done. Now I want that its text is not looking good, means the font's family is not looking good. I should change the font family. So for changing the font family, you can just directly move on here, and you can see this is the font family. You can change directly from here. There are many other font family you can use. You can use Montserrat or any other one. If you want some italic font family, you can just write here. There are many other font family which you can use, like monospace, cursive, or like this font families which we are getting here. You can see this is the cursive font family which we have done here. You can see like this we are getting this cursive written here. Then you can just now you can set its size here. So I will be now writing here text size. So this is the text size which we are getting. You can change into 50. Press enter. You can see your text size has been changed into 50. You can make it more bigger if you want to big, but I think that it is now good enough. You can set its color as well. So I will be now writing the color of black. I think that it will be good. So I will be now writing here black, because our page is also white. You can see now it is looking good. Our text is now looking really awesome, and now we have just created this embedding video. Now we have to create one frame box here in the center, so we can just use that here. So we have now opened this fragments. You can just move to text. You can take the text from here, then you can just take some of the widgets from here. These are the widgets which we are getting. Then these are the buttons here which you can use in your project. This is the email password. So here you can create a simple login page using embedding video. So for doing this, you can just write here. I will be now just writing here a plain text I will be taking, and in this plain text I will be now writing here name which we have written. Then you can take like this password like we have taken. So you can see now I've take the name and password here. Directly I will be now changing it the name, and here I will be writing password. You can see we have just written here. So I'll directly move in this. Then you have to now just do one thing, like I will be now writing here edit text password. Right here, move here, then write here password like this. Now you can see we have just written, but I think that it is not coming here. So here you can just move down by writing this, and you can just you can set its alignment and all that stuff which you want to do. Remove this. So we are now getting this here, but I think that we are just getting the only ID. We are not getting any other thing here. So I will be directly removing this. Then I will be now just writing here password numeric, because password we always getting numeric things here. So I will be now just moving down. You can see this is the thing which we are getting here. This is the name which we are getting. I will be directly doing one thing. I will be just deleting this and I will be copying this by pressing Alt, just Control C, Control V. You can see we are getting another one. Just I will be now doing one thing here. I will be changing its name. I will be selecting both, and then here I will be writing password like this. You can see now it has been changed into password. Then like this I will be pasting it here as well, and then I will be now writing here the email. And here when you've written this thing, just I will be now directly taking this down here. And after writing here, you have to now write phone number like this. And then you have to now just do one thing. You have to press enter. You can see now we are getting the phone number here. Now you can just create a login button here if you want to create like this. So for creating a login button, just you have to directly move to the button tag here, then create a button like this. We have now make the button here. And after making the button here, you can just set the size of the button here, which you want to set. Here you can just make it bigger or smaller. It's your choice what you want to make here. Then I will be writing here login, or you can give it the name as register as well. Then here you can just set its layout height and layout width which you want to set here. So here I will be now writing, then I will be writing it 250, and same as here I will be writing 50. Press enter. So I think that it is also not good if I do like this. And now if I just move here, and then if I do it 200, and then here I will be now directly moving here and 100. So here press enter. You can see now we are just getting our button, but I think that this button is too much big. If I just show you, you can see I want that its height should not be too much big here. So I will be doing it heights to 50. And now when you've just done this, you can see height has been changed into 50, and the width I will be changing it to 250. Save it, press enter. You can see we have done this. Then I will be now changing the text, means the text color is perfect, but I want to change the size of the text which we are getting. So for changing the size of the text, you have to directly do one thing. You have to move at the top, then you have to just move down, and then the text size, you can see here we are getting. And here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be directly searching here. You can see here we are getting. Then here you have to now set the text size 24, or here I will be writing 20. You can see we have just done. I think that 20 is also too much big. I can do it to 16. Now it is good. So you can see we are getting height is also too much big. So I will be setting the height as well from here, which should be 200. Now I think it is good. Let's do it in center like this. Now you can see this. We are just getting this all stuff here. And after getting this all things, you can see we are just now getting the embedding video ready here, and we are just getting our login button here in the center, and then at the top we are getting all these things. So this was our project which we have just built of embedding video. Like this, you can just create an embedding video. You can write your name, password, email, phone number, and you can press login button to create your embedding video moving forward. So moving forward in the next video, I will be telling you how you can use embedding video to build the project. So if you have understood, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.